Right, so let's have a walk around of what you're going to do when you first set it up. So I'm going to go to my shop and I'm going to go to my back end, and what you will do is you'll add the Printful app. So you go to your apps here, visit the App Store, and you would type in Printful if it's not one of the favourite ones. Printful on demand, and you would add that app to your store. Obviously, it's already added to mine. I'll probably do a fresh lesson on how to do it, but it's already added. It's already created, and you just go through the steps of setting it up. Right. So now, in my app, in my Printful dashboard, I can see information on what I've spent or what I've earned. Anything that's happening, it wants me to do a few customizations. Things that you want to do, you'll go to shortcuts. So this is lessons, marketing tools, product features. They're going to tell you some products that are trending. It's a new jacket, things like that. So I don't spend a lot of time in here. All I'm really interested in is my products, which I've created from Printful, the Printful app. And I'm going to walk through in a quick lesson later how to do a full product, how to import it. It basically comes in, it shows you all, it creates the mock-ups for you, it creates the variations for you, and you set the price at setup. So it's really easy to go. When you go to Printful, you're just going to go products. These are the ones that are already in there. These are the ones that are syncing, and you can add a product, right? Which I'm going to do in a second. You can jump into the full site, which is easier to use than this sort of template. So you can go to the full site, and it shows you that same information, right? It shows you orders that are in, orders that have been fulfilled, your file library, so any items, your pictures that you've uploaded. Stores, you can use it across multiple stores. Obviously, I'm just using it on the Happy Me, which is my own website store, but you can use it across these platforms, across many other platforms. Any billing information, so whenever things have gone out, what happened was it was having problems. What you can do is you can sync it so that as soon as somebody buys something, it automatically takes the money out of your, however you've set up payment to Printful. But my bank card kept failing, so I actually deposited $100 from PayPal, and every time an order comes in now, it comes out of that balance. So you can choose whether you want to add a lot of money to your account and let some take off, or for them to pay every time there's a transaction. But you can see I got some failures. It's something to do with my banking. I think I've got to phone my bank up and tell them not to be so worrying. Then other information, general settings, I'm not going to click on, but it's really easy. What will happen, and we'll go through a full order, is you will, should I click on this one? I don't want to show too much private information. What will happen is somebody will buy something on Shopify, and then the order will come through to Printful's database platform, and it's up to you whether you let it automatically fulfill or you want to just double check that the address is right and the information is right, and the item is what the person thinks they're going to buy, and then you click fulfill order. So you've got two choices of automate or up to you, right? What also is a good idea to do is what I did here, and I ordered. You get a 20% discount off samples. So I ordered 3 hats to make sure I was happy with the hats, and sent it to me. I'm just looking. I have to block that out. I won't scroll the page because I've got to move the blur. So basically, what I did, I ordered 3. When you got a new order, you can order here samples, and you get a discount. You get 20% off, 2 orders a month, 3 products ordered. So you can only order so many times because they obviously say if he's ordering samples every day, he's probably worked out how to send real products to people with a 20% discount. So you can do 2 orders a month. So it's a good idea for you to create a sample order and send it to you to see how long it takes to get to you, and to obviously see the quality of your stuff. So it's really easy to dive around, to see where your products are, to jump into the product. You can jump in, edit the prices, edit the pictures, edit everything once it's done. So nothing's set in stone when you set it up. And it's really easy to go in and see your item for sale. This is all set up by Printful, and I'm going to show you in the next few lessons how to do that.